Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials so the restore works. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account tied to the Play Store and that you have an active internet connection. Once done, check Android version and free storage. Insufficient space blocks installation. Next, enable visibility for system apps in settings and consider turning on USB debugging only if you plan to use ADB. Now proceed to reinstall. Don't skip these checks because they avoid common failures. You'll now reinstall the necessary components in the right sequence so dependencies match. Start with Google Play Services, then the Play Store APK. Installing the store first often fails due to missing services. Before installing, go to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google Play and Play Services and clear cache and data to remove corrupt states. After installations, reboot the device to finalize registration. If the standard APK install fails, use ADB sideload as a controlled alternative. This avoids permission and package conflicts. Finish by opening the Play Store, signing in, and accepting requested permissions so services can authenticate. Once signed in, update Google Play Services and any apps that prompt updates. This stabilizes background processes. If you still see errors, back up your data and consider a factory reset or reflashing stock firmware as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify your device's date, time, and Google account sync. Incorrect clocks or a deceased account commonly block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.